Hi, welcome to Balance Unleashed, where well-being isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Today we're tackling the number one mistake beginners make in meditation, trying too hard. Stress is inevitable. But what if I told you that 12 minutes could teach you to surf those chaos waves like a pro? Science says meditation rewires your brain in 8 weeks, shrinking stress zones, boosting focus. But here's the kicker. You don't need silence, incense, or a Himalayan retreat. Just you, exactly as you are. Breathing is the bridge that connects your body and mind. When you feel stressed or overwhelmed, your breath becomes shallow and rapid. But when you're calm and relaxed, your breath slows down and deepens. In meditation, we use our breath as an anchor to bring us back to the present moment. This gentle focus on each inhale and exhale helps quiet the constant chatter of the mind. As you breathe in, notice the rise of your chest and belly. As you breathe out, feel the gentle release of tension. Your breath is always with you, a constant source of peace in a busy world. Many people believe that meditation is about emptying the mind completely. They strive for a state of blankness, free from any thoughts. But this is a common misconception. The mind is naturally active, like a playful monkey swinging from branch to branch. Thoughts will arise, and that's perfectly okay. Instead of fighting your thoughts, try to simply observe them without judgment. Acknowledge their presence and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Meditation is often shrouded in myths and misconceptions. Some believe it requires hours of practice, special chants, or contorted postures. The truth is, meditation is simple and accessible to everyone. It doesn't require any special equipment or years of training. You can meditate anywhere, at any time, for as long or as little as you like. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can have a profound impact on your well-being. It's like a gentle rain that nourishes the soil of your mind, allowing peace and clarity to blossom. Here's a simple 3-step method to guide you through a 12-minute meditation. This method is designed to help you find peace and clarity in your daily life, no matter how busy or stressful it may be. By dedicating just 12 minutes, you can create a sanctuary of calm within yourself. Step 1. Anchor for 4 minutes. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing the rise and fall of your abdomen. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils. This is your anchor, the point of focus that will keep you grounded. As you breathe in, feel the coolness of the air. As you breathe out, notice the warmth. Let each breath be a reminder of the present moment. Step 2. Breathe. For 4 minutes, count each breath from 1 to 10, then start again. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. Be kind to yourself. It's natural for the mind to wander. Each time you bring your focus back, you are training your mind to be more present. Imagine each breath as a wave, gently washing over you, bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. With each count, feel yourself becoming more centered and at peace. Step 3. Celebrate for 4 minutes. Notice the sensations in your body. Observe any sounds around you. Open your eyes slowly and take a moment to appreciate the stillness you've cultivated. Feel the gratitude for this time you've given yourself. Recognize the effort you've made to be present and mindful. This celebration is about acknowledging your journey and the peace you've created. Let this feeling of calm and accomplishment carry you through the rest of your day, knowing you can return to this place of stillness whenever you need. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. This could be a corner of your room, a cozy spot in your living room, or even a peaceful place outdoors. Make sure it's somewhere you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, feeling your chest and belly expand. Imagine the air filling your lungs, bringing in fresh energy and vitality. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension. As you breathe out, let go of any stress or worries you may be holding on to. Feel your body becoming more relaxed with each breath. Now bring your attention to the sensations of your breath. Notice how it feels as the air enters and leaves your body. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest and the gentle movement of your abdomen. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the gentle warmth as you exhale. Feel the subtle differences in temperature and texture with each breath. Continue to follow your breath, like a gentle wave flowing in and out. Imagine the rhythm of your breath as the ebb and flow of the ocean, steady and calming. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. This is completely natural. Your mind may wander to things you need to do, memories or random thoughts. Don't judge them or try to push them away. Instead, acknowledge these thoughts without attachment. Understand that it's normal for the mind to wander. Simply acknowledge their presence and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Each time you notice your mind has wandered, bring it back to the present moment with kindness and patience. If your mind wanders, which is perfectly natural, don't be discouraged. Remember, the practice of meditation is about returning to the breath again and again. Simply begin again, counting your breaths from 1 to 10. Each count is an opportunity to start fresh, to bring your focus back to the present. Continue this practice for 12 minutes or for as long as you feel comfortable. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, embracing the peace and stillness that comes with mindful breathing. When you are ready to end your meditation, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm and mindfulness with you as you go about your day. Navigating the meditation maze. Common hurdles and solutions struggle. My mind keeps racing. I can't quiet my thoughts. This is a common issue many people face when they first start meditating. The mind is naturally active and it can be challenging to settle it down. You might find yourself thinking about your to-do list, replaying past conversations, or worrying about the future. This constant mental chatter can be frustrating and make you feel like you're not doing it right. Solution: it's perfectly natural for your mind to wander. Don't get discouraged. Simply acknowledge the thoughts and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Over time, with consistent practice, you'll find it easier to maintain focus. Remember, meditation is not about stopping thoughts, but about observing them without attachment. Think of your thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky. Let them come and go without getting caught up in them. Struggle: I can't find the time to meditate. In our fast-paced world, it can be difficult to carve out time for meditation. With work, family, and other responsibilities, it might seem impossible to fit in even a few minutes of quiet time. You might feel guilty for taking time for yourself or worry that you're neglecting other important tasks. Solution: even a few minutes each day can make a difference. Try meditating first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. You don't need a lot of time to experience the benefits of meditation. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. You can also integrate mindfulness into your daily activities, such as mindful walking, eating, or even while waiting in line. Struggle: I feel restless and uncomfortable while meditating. Physical discomfort is another common hurdle. You might find it hard to sit still, or you might experience aches and pains in your body. This restlessness can make it difficult to focus and can even discourage you from continuing your practice. Solution: experiment with different postures and find what works best for you. You can sit on a cushion, chair, or even lie down. The key is to find a position that allows you to be both comfortable and alert. You might also try using props like cushions or blankets to support your body. Remember, it's okay to adjust your position if you start to feel uncomfortable. The goal is to create a practice that is sustainable and enjoyable for you. The gentle unfolding of inner peace meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's a practice that deepens over time, revealing layers of peace and wisdom within you. Don't be discouraged if you don't feel immediate results. Like a seed planted in fertile soil, the benefits of meditation unfold gradually with patience and consistency. With each breath, you're cultivating a sense of inner calm that can help you navigate the challenges of daily life with more ease and grace. The science behind the serenity modern science is now confirming the ancient wisdom of meditation. Studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, enhance emotional regulation, and promote feelings of well-being. These benefits are linked to changes in the brain's structure and function, demonstrating the profound impact that meditation can have on our physical and mental health. Your invitation to a more peaceful you. The path to inner peace is open to everyone. You don't need any special skills or equipment, just a willingness to sit quietly and breathe. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Be patient with yourself and celebrate each small step you take on this journey of self-discovery. May you find peace and joy in the present moment. If today's practice sparked something in you, let's keep that fire burning. Grab these two life-changing books, Wherever You Go, There You Are by Jon Kabat-Zinn and The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Both are linked below to jumpstart your journey. Hit subscribe and join our Balance Unleashed family for more no BS well-being tools. Until next time, breathe deep, trust the process, and remember, you are your best investment.